Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show this juice maker, that what is inside right there. As you see, this is the brand. 3 stars. Yeah, let me show you more closer. Right there, as you see. Yeah, let's go and start it. This is the, let's take it out this part. This is the one, like that. As you see, this part is messed up already. I don't need it anymore. That's why I'm gonna show everything inside, what is inside. Then after that I'm gonna dump in trash. So let's go ahead and take it out. All the screws are here. How many screws? Maybe 5, 6 screws. Pause and take it out, all the screw. I'll be back. Okay, I just took out the screws and pulled this cover, and as you see, there is a motor inside, and this is the sensor, I think, whatever it's called. I think so. Yeah, what else we can take it out. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out. These cables. Here too. That's two. And here. Nothing else. Okay. There's another screws are here. 3, 4 screws that I can take it out. This top side. Let's see. Okay, let me pause. Okay, what else we can do? We can take this part. This is the part that we can take it. There is a 2 screw here. Oh, okay, right there. One is here, as you see, right there. And another piece out here, right here. Right there. It's almost out. Right there. And okay, it should come out, but it doesn't. Okay, anyway. What else? I just took this part. I don't know what they call. This is the one. And I think this is switch needs to come out. This is the motor. It should come out, but I wasn't able to take it out. This part. Okay, it came out. All right. Exactly right. This is the one. It came out. So what else? What we're gonna do with it? One is switch here, and I don't know what is this. Inside another piece of switch. I think that's switch too. Okay, and then this is the part that this is all about. That makes work everything. Okay, let me see if I can take it out. This top one. I don't know. Maybe from here, right? I don't know. Let's try. Now, let me hold it and try like this. Now I am okay. The opposite side is opening. All right. Here, let's see what's gonna come out. I don't know. Nothing comes out. Well, I don't know. We're stuck here. Okay. It's not coming out. Anyway, this is all about what I show you guys. Maybe if I take it this three, this is the 3 screw that I'm gonna take it out. Let's see, maybe it's gonna come out like that. I don't think so, but no, let me put it here. No, it's not coming out. So anyhow, this is it. So what we find inside this motor and this guy, as you see, what is that? I don't know. This is the filter. This is the another plastic cover. As you see, this is when you put the apple and you screws there. So, well, all about this. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. All right, guys. Bye.